Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Repeat Chess here. Today I wanted to show you this excellent chess study. It's an endgame, and I think it's pretty nice. We are playing white, and we want to win. Obviously, we are pawn up, but we have a lot of problems. So first of all, our king is just too far away, and these two pawns are kind of attacked. Yeah, but we have this passed pawn, which is good. And I think if I'd play white here, I'd be. I was thinking, okay, how not to lose. If I lose this pawn, then I get this isolated pawn. And this is another issue with these strong players, grandmasters, etc. Yeah, I always uh, um, surprised when I see when they have bad position, they always like look for opportunity not to draw, like to save the game, but to win. Yeah, they always play for a win. And in this position, white, even though they're like down a king, they have to play for a win. And so they start. So what do you do here? If you play b6, yeah, man, immediately king c6, tapping this pawn and taking it, and it's a draw. Uh, black Black's king is very close to center, so this pawn cannot move. And if we play king c2, then again king e5 is possible, king to c5 is possible, and they're just too far away. White starts with d4, reinforcing this pawn, and it's important that this square is taken as well. So if you play king c4, then this pawn has passed. Again, we cannot capture here because b6, and again, this king is not in time to capture this pawn. So the only move here for black is d6. And if we capture this way, then and it's a draw. Somehow we cannot play this because king stops the pawn, or if we play this way, then it's c5. A bit strange looking move, but if we check this again, king stops the pawn. Um, okay, so d6, and here white plays b6. Um, so they only move king c6 to stop the pawn. And what you play in this position, I think it's the key move. This is d5. Yeah, beautiful. So these two pawns are attacked. Everything is attacked, but uh, black is unfortunately not in time to do anything. So they cannot capture here, and it's check. So they have to take on b6, obviously. If you play something like this, yeah, then you cannot stop both these passed pawns. So king takes b6. If you play here, again, it's a draw because black takes and stops this pawn. And black will be passed pawn, have an extra pawn. So white takes here, king b7, yeah, king c7, because if we take here again, white has won the game immediately. So king c7, and it's important to play here, not takes, yeah, because our pawn is stopped. Play this move, king to d7, stopping the pawn, and pawn takes. And this is a very easy win. White king just marches towards this pawn and wins the game. And if you capture here, then white wins by promotion. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.